Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO Reno5 and today I'll show you how you can add another account to Google Play Store. Let's open Play Store, tap on the right upper corner, click on this arrow and then click to add another account. Let's pick Google. Right now we have to use verification method. And input the Gmail that you want to activate on this smartphone. Click Next. And right now just input your password. Click Next. Accept. Open Play Store another time. And when you click on the right upper corner, you can easily switch between your accounts just like that. So if you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.